Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Oh my, how could we forget about Josie? She's here too. Oh goodness. Okay. You good? Okay, she's like licking my legs. I don't know what her deal is. She is a very affectionate dog. Likes to lick everything. Okay, in today's video, we're going to be opening up our Allure Beauty Box for June 2020. This is a $15 a month subscription. In here, we should have like between 5 and 7 beauty, skincare, hair care, makeup products. As always, if I don't know something's cruelty-free at the time of filming, that will be displayed on the screen right in front of you, the one you're looking at right now to see me, as well as the estimated sample value of everything. So I will do the math, figure all that out, and put that right there on the screen for you. But yeah, so let's just go ahead and hop right into it. Okay, so as always, right here is this little brochure thing. It's going to have everything that we're getting in here. It's full-size value and like a little bit why a particular editor at Allure magazine chose it to be in this month's box. So let's see. Okay, the first thing I'm going to pull out, because I know it's not cruelty-free, this is from Belief. This is the True Cream Aqua Balm Aloe Vera. So every other time I've just gotten the regular True Cream Aqua Balm thing, but this one has a little green line there, which told me that it was a little bit different. So this one has aloe vera, not cruelty-free. I never have tried it, but this for a while. I used to get like in every subscription box. I got it in so many Sephora plays. I believe I've gotten it in this box too. So anyways, there's that. Let's get a full-size value on that for you. So $38. So like I said, I don't know if it's any good. I don't know if people actually really love it, but I've gotten it like 1,000 times. Okay, moving right along. Okay, so the next thing I'm pulling out is from Mienza, which is cruelty-free. This is the Super 8 Lip Oil in Pink Shine. There's the packaging. I think I've tried like one thing from this brand, so let's see how I feel about this. Not hugely into pink. Let's see how this looks like. Whoa. Not what I was expecting. So yeah, there it is. I'm not going to open this up because it's just something I'm not going to use, and I'm trying to be less wasteful, and if it's something I know I'm not going to use, I don't want to open it. And this is just something I'm not going to use. I don't typically use lip oils as it is, and if I did, it would not be this color. So this will just have to go into a giveaway or to a friend, but it's not going on my lips. The full-size value, which I think that could be full-size, is $28. That's way too expensive. I mean, I get that it's oil, but that is too much money. So, wow. I don't know why that's so expensive. Interesting. Okay, let's move on to the next thing. This is from the Roche Posay, which I cannot recall. I know I've read these words before, but I can't recall if I've ever tried anything from it. It's pure vitamin C, I believe, is what I'm getting out of this. So there's the packaging. It looks very, like, medical. That's, like, the vibe I get from it. I don't know what this is. Let me look at the little book here so I can, like, at least give you some accurate information on what the heck we're looking at. Okay, so it's a brightening treatment that you put, like, anywhere that you have like hyperpigmentation. So if you have like an acne scar and it's like dark or something like that, it's to brighten your skin. That's not something I am into. I don't, if I have like scarring or like dark spots, like I'm fine with that. I get it. I have like this one like right here. I'm pretty sure it's like sun damage or something. I'm fine with that. This is something I'm not going to use personally. So yeah, and I want to mention too, there's nothing wrong if you have dark spots and you want to get rid of them. That's fine. That's just something that I personally don't care about. So that's why I don't want that. Pull this thing because I'm pretty sure it's full size and it's taking up the entire box. This is from Pure Release, which is cruelty free. This is the Watermelon and Charcoal Purifying Cleanser. So there's the packaging. It's got watermelons all over it. Sorry, my light is like reflecting on it. But so it gently cleanses skin, removes makeup, purifies, and energizes. I have actually kind of been into this watermelon thing. I tried something from that Yes To brand that was watermelon, and normally I'm like not a huge fan of like fake watermelon, but I kind of loved it. So I'm curious to see how this smells. It does have a safety seal. It smells like fake watermelon, and for some reason I'm into it. I don't know. Normally I'm not into like those super fake smelling fruit sort of things, but it smells really, really good, and I think it's because it's summer and it just makes it feel like a summer. I don't know. Definitely curious to try that though, and it's valued at $18. So like that's not, I mean, it's not too overpriced for what it is. So yeah, interesting. Curious to give that a go. Okay, pulling out the next thing. This is kind of interesting. This is from Star Skin, which I'm pretty sure is cruelty-free. This is the Nourishing and Brightening 2-Step Oil Sheet Mask. Like, this is totally different than anything I've ever gotten. So, it says to cleanse face and pat dry, break open capsule, that thing, and massage a few drops of Camilla oil on face, which that seems like way more than a few drops. Step 3 is tear open the packaging, like that's a step. Apply mask onto face and leave on for 15 minutes. And then gently pat in remaining serum. So what do you do with like the rest of this oil? I don't even know what camellia oil is. That's definitely an interesting mask. Have you ever seen anything like that? That's kind of cool. Okay, so the oil is to give extra moisturizing to your skin, which I'm a huge fan of oil for skin. Like that's my favorite way to moisturize. And then the lady from the little magazine here says she just uses the extra oil to moisturize until it's gone. So like throughout the week before she does her makeup. So definitely curious to give that a try. Definitely the most unique sheet mask I've ever seen. Mine is that one that was like a superhero mask. And there was like a lace one too. There's definitely been weirder ones, but this is the weirdest, most practical sheet mask that I've seen. Okay, we have one last item, and this I'm kind of excited about. This is the Dashing Diva Gloss Ultra Shine Palette. So they're like little nail stickers. Let me go ahead and take it out of the packaging so you can see it without the glare. I hope they're like nail polish strips and not stickers. Let's see. Yeah, it's actual nail polish because it says to use nail polish to take it off. I don't know what the foil is about though. I think the foil is just to make it look pretty in the package. So these are kind of cool. So there's like all the designs I got. Definitely interesting. I will definitely try this out. It says it wears just like gel, lasts up to 14 days, 34 strips. Like these are the regular nails generally, and then all these up here are like accent nails. So definitely curious to give that a go. Like I loved back in the day when I used Sally Hansen, the nail polish strips that they used to have, like those were good. I don't like the sticker ones though because they're like actual stickers. Okay, and let's see, the value on that, which I assume that is full size, is $9, so that's pretty affordable. I also love like press-on nails, like the Impress, those are pretty good too. So if you're like me and you don't like going to the nail salon and you don't like spending all your money on nails, but sometimes you like to have pretty nails, those are also a good option. But yeah, so that's everything I got in this month's Allure Beauty Box. I thought it was a pretty good box. The Belief thing I'm not going to use, and that vitamin C thing, I might see if my husband wants to try it, because sometimes he gets like darker spots. But other than that, like I'm excited about everything. Got a couple full-size things in there. That's pretty good too. But yeah, if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up for me. If you want to see more videos like this from me, more unboxings, more of Josie. Who doesn't want to see more of Josie? She's literally the only thing I ever want to see. Then go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down there. And we'll see you in our next video, right? Will we? Can you say bye? That's how she says bye. She says bye. Bye, guys.